These Silky Twistable Crayons were sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing them, showing all the colors, and then letting my daughter try them out. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely. Inside the box, you get 12 twistable crayons in a variety of bright colors. As I'm taking them out, I show each color up close so you can get a better look at the color selection. One thing I like is the twist up design. Instead of sharpening the crayons, you simply twist them up as you use them, which helps reduce mess and wasted crayon. Before handing them to my daughter, I test them myself. Honestly, I didn't expect them to be as smooth as they are. They glide across the paper much more easily than I was expecting, and the colors go down nicely without having to press very hard. That was probably the biggest surprise for me during this review. As I'm coloring, you can see how vibrant the different colors are and how smoothly they apply to the paper. After that, it's my daughter's turn. She immediately starts drawing and trying out the different colors, and it was fun watching her switch between them to create her own pictures. I always like including clips of my kids actually using products because I think it gives a much better idea of how they perform in everyday use. The crayons were easy for her to hold, and she had no trouble twisting them up or coloring with them. Since these are washable, they're designed to make cleanup easier after art time. Throughout the video, I focus on showing the unboxing, all 12 colors, and my daughter's experience using them so you can get a realistic idea of what to expect. Overall, I came away pleasantly surprised. Between the 12 bright colors, twistable design, washable formula, and incredibly smooth coloring experience, these make a fun set for crafts, coloring books, school projects, or everyday creativity. And if you're wondering, yes, they are much smoother to color with than I expected.